guys, it is January the 28th, 2025 on a cloudy, overcast day here in Orange Beach. I saw online where the athletic department of the new Gulf Shores High School that they're building collapsed around 3 a.m. yesterday morning. We're going to drive by, see if we can't see any of that, see what it looks like, see if we can see anything at all from the road. Also, while we're out, we're going to go by and check out the update on the new construction of the Intracoastal bridge that they're building. It's going to be a one-way bridge either onto or off of the island. Look to see where they're at on that completion and see what else we can get into today for this daily vlog. Thank you for watching. I'm traveling north on the Beach Expressway, and over there where you see the big yellow crane, that is where the road will veer off of the Beach Express going towards the new Intracoastal bridge. So I'm assuming the new bridge will be the southbound bridge. Alright, we're coming up on the Gateway Plaza where the gas station is. The school's across the way over there. You can see the trailers. And the part that's collapsed is right there, just past the trailers, right behind the building here now. But right there's the collapsed portion of the athletic department. The school seems to be intact from this view. We'll do a loop around and come back down through there. That's new construction there in the middle of the median. Got some cars merging in with us up here. We'll slow down and do a U-turn right up here. We're going to turn right here and sweep the camera across where we can see the front of the Gulf Shores High School. Like I said, it looks like it's intact. The athletic department is back behind over there on the roadside. We'll go right up here, swing around and come back down on the road closest to the school. Again, here is a look down the construction of the front side of what will be the Gulf Shores High School. Everything looks like it's coming as planned on that. No issues there. We're going to turn south here on the Baldwin Beach Express. And that tower, let me get up here where you can see it with the camera. The part that collapsed was this section right here, which was part of the athletic department, and it's all on the ground. Coming on down the Beach Express just past the Gulf Shores High School that's being built, here to the right, this will be where the road will veer off to go to the new bridge that they're building. We'll swing by there real quick and look on the north side of the canal first to see what progress they're making. Now this is the north side of Cotton Creek Drive. This is the opposite end of where that road was teeing off of the Baldwin Beach Express. So that's where it's going to cross here at Cotton Creek Drive. Now looking to the south of Cotton Creek Road, this is going towards the canal. This is the road that's leading to the new bridge. We'll go across the old toll bridge and get you a shot back up the canal to where the bridge is being completed and show you what it looks like on the south side of the canal. The old toll bridge office, and we're going to go up on the bridge here and see if we can see any of the construction of the new bridge that's being built from the old toll bridge here. We're looking back towards the west here, back towards Gulf Shores, and right up here at the peak you can see some cranes down there, but you can't really tell what's going on. You can see maybe one of the columns in the water. The GoPro won't zoom in Close enough to see that there. There's the Spring Hill Suites here at the wharf and the Orange Beach Event Center. We'll go up Canal Road there to where they're bringing and tying in the new bridge and see what we can see there. Okay, so this is the south side of the canal, and coming up here on the canal itself, you can see some of the pylons from the new bridge. Some of the roads actually up in the air already. All these cranes here working. This is where it will tie in to Canal Road after it breaks away from Beach Express up near the gas station up there. I'll drive down the canal just a little bit, do a U-turn and come back and show you what it's looking like on the other side of Canal Road. Okay, so now looking south of Canal Road, looking back towards the beach area, this is where the landing of the new bridge will come. They've cleared out a lot of area here on the right side for a merge over, or shifting the whole lanes over. Looks like they've actually built a roundabout here at the end of the little loop where you can either go towards Gulf Shores or Orange Beach. You can see the heavy machinery still back up around the curve, so the road will come make a swing back that way to that little roundabout. And right up here we'll see more of the cranes and some more of the pylons. Looks like they've got a good piece of the framework for the bridge, the road itself, up in the air already there. Right down through there. And that's just a quick little look around at the bridge completion update, the collapse of what I'm assuming was part of the athletic department at Gulf Shores High School, and other things around here in Orange Beach. Thank you for watching the daily vlog. Thank you for subscribing. Until next time.